Are you in the market for a new bike cleaners, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike cleaners on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner. Keeping your bike clean can be a challenge, especially if you love to ride off-road. But with Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner, cleaning your bike is no longer a hassle. This universal fit cleaner is specially designed to penetrate deep into dirt and cut through grime, while protecting your bike's finish. It's safe on all bike components and finishes, so you can use it on any type of bike, from road bikes to mountain bikes and everything in between. And the best part? Simply spray it on, wash it off, and you're done. So what do we like about Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner? It penetrates deep into dirt, cuts through grime while protecting your bike's finish, and is safe on all bike components and finishes. So, if you want to keep your bike looking and performing its best, try Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner today. Number 2. Finish Line Super Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaner. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your bike clean after a tough ride? Introducing Finish Line Super Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaner, the solution to your cleaning woes. This biodegradable and non-corrosive cleaner allows for easy cleaning. Simply squirt on and hose off. It quickly removes dirt, road grime, chain soils, and clay. With 5 unique cleaning agents, this cleaner creates a high-speed cleaning effect, while protecting metal surfaces with 2 rust and oxidation inhibitors. Plus, this bio-cleaning material is free from harmful chemicals, such as chlorinated solvents, phosphates, benzenes, and naphthas, making it safe for your bicycle components and the environment. And if you are in California, y'all be happy to know that this cleaner is 100% California Air Regulatory Board compliant and free from carcinogenic elements and hazardous air pollutants. So what's not to like? Finish Line Super Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaner is biodegradable, non-corrosive, contains 5 unique cleaning agents, and is free from harmful chemicals, making it safe for you and the environment. Try it out for yourself and see the difference. Number 3. Muc-Off Bio Drivetrain Cleaner, 750 ml. When it comes to maintaining your bike, one of the most important tasks is keeping your drivetrain clean. That's where Muc-Off Bio Drivetrain Cleaner comes in. This fast-acting chain cleaner and degreaser fluid is the ultimate solution for removing even the most stubborn drivetrain contaminants. Developed in collaboration with Team Sky, now Ineos, this tool is perfect for use with the X3 Dirty Chain Cleaning Machine. It effectively cuts through grease and grime to remove even the toughest of drivetrain contaminants. And the best part is that it's safe to use on various bike parts, including carbon fiber, aluminum, rubber, plastics, seals, and disc brakes. Plus, it's fully biodegradable, making it as friendly to the environment as it is to your bike. So, if you want to keep your bike in top condition, try Muc-Off Bio Drivetrain Cleaner today. Number 4. Stabil Sport Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaning Spray. There's nothing quite like the feeling of riding your bike through the great outdoors. But over time, your bike can accumulate dirt, grit, and grime, making it less enjoyable to ride. That's where Stabil Sport Bike Wash comes in. Stabil Sport Bike Wash is a safe and easy-to-use cleaning spray that removes dirt, grit, and grime from all types of bikes, including standard bikes, mountain bikes, and electric bikes. Made with safe ingredients, this bike cleaner is perfect for deep cleaning all bike parts, from bike chains to brakes, without fear of harming the environment. Using Stabil Sport Bike Wash is easy. Simply rinse the bike, shake the bottle, and spray the product on the entire bike to give it a new bike shine. What's not to love? Stabil Sport Bike Wash is safe and easy to use, removes dirt, grit, and grime from all types of bikes, and is made with safe ingredients that won't harm the environment. Plus, it's perfect for deep cleaning all bike parts, and leaves your bike with a new bike shine. Try Stabil Sport Bike Wash today, and experience the joy of riding a clean and shiny bike. Number 5. Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner. Introducing the Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner, the state-of-the-art alkaline-based formula that is fully biodegradable, safe on all surfaces, and suitable for all types of bikes. This infamous pink cleaner features nanotechnology that breaks down dirt and grime on a molecular level for the ultimate clean. Watch as it effortlessly dissolves the toughest grime, leaving your bike looking brand new. And the best part? This cleaner won't damage any parts, and it's even disc brake friendly. Available in a variety of sizes, including 1-liter spray, 5-liter bottle, and 25-liter drum, the Nanotech Bike Cleaner is perfect for any bike owner. So whether you prefer to hit the road or shred the trails on your MTB, the Muc-Off Nanotech Bike Cleaner is the ultimate post-ride bike wash. Try it out today at mucoff.com and experience the ultimate clean for yourself. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.